Hi there, students. A tableau. Okay, a tableau is a countable noun. Notice the plural tableau with an X. You can also put it AUS as well. Okay, a tableau is a striking representation of something, a vivid picture of something, but generally talking about a group of people. So the photograph of a line of people all wearing masks was a tableau. It so clearly represented our society in times of COVID. Very often you have a tableau which is a picture or a scene from mythology, for example. A group of people who are representing the labours of Hercules, yeah, or a tableau from history, yeah. I think very often they have, at Christmas, they have these cribs or these nativity things with little figures. And this is a tableau, yeah? It's representing it. Yeah, so it's a piece of art, like a sculpture or a painting, that shows a scene, particularly from something from history, something from the Bible, something from mythology, something from folklore. Yeah, and this is the idea of a tableau. You could also have a group of models, yeah, that represent a particular scene. But I think this word is more interesting to use as a scene or something that you see that is very representative of a certain thing. So photographers who are trying to capture the zeitgeist or spirit of the age look for scenes that are a tableau to take photographs of. Yeah, a photograph of people lying on the beach in the sun is a tableau representing summer and summer holidays, or maybe a picture of somebody bright red with sunburn. Yeah, this is, or two or three of them. This is a tableau showing the Brits on holiday. Yeah, ooh, it's sunny, let's go out and get so sunburnt that I'm going to be in agony. Okay, so a tableau. An arrangement of people, very often on stage, but who don't move or who don't speak. And they represent a view of life, an event, something that's happened. But, okay, a tableau, a vivid or a graphic description. So the film was a tableau of life during lockdown. Okay, it was like a graphic description of it. Yeah, something that describes it well. When I arrived home, the tableau that met me was horrific. The kids and the dogs were fighting, and there was food and mess absolutely everywhere. So a very vivid graphic scene. Yeah. Okay, the figures or the statues. This statue is a tableau of the facelessness of totalitarianism. Yeah, very often you see these statues with 3 or 4 people. This is a tableau trying to depict something. It's a tableau vivant, a live picture. Yeah, you could say that in art. Okay, so a tableau, a panorama, an aspect, a scene, a vista, an arrangement. Yeah, a representation, a spectacle, something like that. Okay, so tableau, how formal is this word? I think I'm going to give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but I think much better in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. It sounds a bit literary and a bit poetic. Yeah, and then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word tableau, a picture, or the surface which you're going to use to paint on. So a tableau vivant, a graphic scene or a group of people arranged maybe in a picture or in real life or in a sculpture or a bas relief or something like that, depicting something very clear in our lives or in our society. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A tableau.